Welcome to our classes. I am Dr. Dimsra. This video tutorial is on human resource management. यहाँ पर बहुत ही मोस्ट एक्सपेक्टेड MCQ टाइप क्वेश्चंस हमने इंक्लूड किए हैं, जिसमें से कि PSUs में एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस इन एडिशन टू MBA कोर्स काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. नाउ कम द क्वेश्चंस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Concealed identity or blind advertising helps organizations. Correct option is B. Escape from the notice of competitors when critical positions are vacant. 2. The individuals who reject all the organization standards are labeled as misfits, as their actions contrast organizational goals. They are also called as, correct option B, rebels. 3. In India, workers' participation has limited success because of the following factor. A. The differing perceptions and attitudes between the workers and the management regarding degree of participation. B. The trade unions are poorly fragmented and organized. C. Inter-union rivalry and influences of different political philosophies. D. All of the above. The correct option is D. All of the above. 4. All of the following are innovative methods to improve the quality of work life except A. Flexi time, B. Job enrichment, C. Job rotation, or D. Demotion. Correct option is D. Demotion. 5. An employee in a textile manufacturing firm was given the freedom to opt for the start and quick time for a week. What is the type of flex time being following by the firm? The correct option is B. C. 2 hours. 6. Many flex refers to, correct option is D, a flex time which is similar to variable day and there is no need to work for specific hours. 7. Job sharing, work sharing, phased retirement, all these are examples of, correct option is A, part-time employment. A. When the management conducts QWL programs in association with the union, that is quality work life, it A. leads to effective negotiations that enable designing contracts that satisfy both the parties. B. improves the efficiency of the management and strengthens employee organization. C. encourages participative management and involves employees in decision making. D. all of the above. The correct option is D. all of the above. 9 is a self-governing group of workers with or without their supervisors who voluntarily meet on a regular basis to identify, analyze, and solve problems in their work fields. That group is known as quality circles. Correct option is B. 10. Which of the following is not a basic objective of a quality circle? Correct option is D. Excuse me. To employee benefits and incentives. 11. The extent to which employees are aware of their interests, skills, strengths, and weaknesses regarding their career goals is termed as career insight. Correct option is C. 12. DAS helps organizations identify employee strengths and weaknesses to determine avenues for their career development. A. Gap analysis. B. Individual assessment. C. Organizational assessment. Or D. Opportunity analysis. Correct option is B. Individual assessment. 13. Understanding the career aspirations of an employee, determining his capabilities and competencies, and identifying the gap is termed as, correct option is A. Need analysis. 14. Career planning and development programs for employees, correct option is D, ensure future availability of resources. 15. Reassignment of an employee to a higher level job involves greater responsibility or status or pay is termed as, correct option is D, promotion. 16. The process of selecting and developing employees in the organization to occupy key positions in the future is termed as, correct option is B, succession plan. 70. Evaluation of employees' performance by his colleagues is called, correct option is A, peer appraisal. 18. Paired comparison of employees is a method of A, ranking, B, checklist, C, point allocation, D, forced choice rating. Correct option is A, ranking. 19. Clear and well-defined goals, a definite time plan, and an action plan to achieve these goals combined with timely feedback are characteristics of A, work standards approach, B, management by objects, that is MBO, C, bars, D, balanced scorecard method. Correct option is B, MBO, management by objectives. 20. Helps in improving the communication, people management, and relationship management skills of the trainees. A, computer modeling, role playing, C, classroom lectures, or D, vestibule training. Correct option is C, classroom lectures. 21. Response, learning performance, and results are four levels of evaluating a management development program. This system of evaluation is called Kirkpatrick's system. Correct option is B. 22. Traditionally, the pay scales in companies were associated with A, employee performance, B, organizational hierarchy, C, worth hierarchy, or D, charm of the employee. Correct option is B, organizational hierarchy. 23. Dash is the systematic process of analyzing and evaluating jobs to determine their relative worth in an organization. A, job analysis, B, job design, C, job evaluation, or D, job enrichment. A correct option C, job evaluation. 24. The process of ranking in which the relative importance of each job is determined in comparison with the representative job is called, the correct option is A, relative ranking. 25. Performance bonus is an example of, correct option is B, extrinsic reward. 26. The process of rewarding employees by giving them a stake in the company, which further enhances their performance, is called the A, gain sharing, B, annual bonus, C, employee stock plan, D, profit sharing. Correct option is C, employee stock plan. 27. A benefit plan where an employee gets a chance to choose from a lot of benefits is also called, correct option is D, variable oblique flexible benefit plan. As a student, when one is trying to assess oneself and the opportunities available in the market to choose the right career, he or she is said to be in the exploration stage. Correct option is A. 29. Virtuous Services Weight Limited believes that it pays quite handsome salaries to its employees. However, the turnover rate has been quite high in the past, and all the exit interviews point of one factor, that is compensation, as the culprit. The company failed to A, meet the legal requirement, B, follow the principle of equanimity, C, match the employee expectations, or D, match the pay scale abroad. Correct option is C, match the employee expectations. 30. The approach stresses on the fact that individuals should not be treated as more factors of production. Correct option is A, human relations approach. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes, press the bell button, and pass it on to others who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of